Hello, dear students. I, Manisha Mahend, welcome you all for the orientation of Standard 3 Science for the next academic year. I will walk you through the curriculum, portion, and exam pattern for this year. With this, a question comes to our mind. Why do we teach science? A good question indeed. It's our walnut advantage. Even if in the CBSE curriculum science start only from the 6th standard, at Walnut we teach it right from standard 1. We want to teach them so many things. So we start early, we keep it simple, and we slowly phase in the whole idea of science in our students. Now, how exactly the students are taught? One or two concepts are taught in every period, and worksheet based on those concepts is completed in the class itself with the help of a presentation and discussion of questions based on that PowerPoint presentation. For each topic, they will have a revision worksheet which will give them a quick review of that chapter. Now let us have a look at what our students will be studying this year. So here is the portion for Unit 1. The topics are living and non-living things, so many kinds of animals, and all about water. In Unit 2, they will be studying the topics not enough water, our need for air, our need for food, inside the kitchen, and growing up and growing old. For Unit 3, they have the topics our body, pearly teeth, healthy body, sensory organs, and coordination. And in Unit 4, they will be studying disabilities, changes in our surroundings, and the last topic will be forces and motion. Along with the worksheets from the syllabus, students have some explore on sheets which are based on the concept taught. As these worksheets are not included in the exam portion, children explore them for extra knowledge of the topic, which helps to build interest in the subject and develop a research-oriented mind in our young scientists. And one more point I would like to mention here, that our worksheets are designed in such a way that help the students to improve their writing skill. Sample answers to subjective questions are already given on the worksheets. Students can even write answers in their own words. Writing the answers neatly helps to revise concepts and practice English. So this was related to the classwork. What about homework then? Instead of bombarding the students with a pile of homework, lots of revision and reading happens in the classroom itself. But regularly studying is a must, right? Finishing worksheet and rereading text and notes must be done on regular basis. We all will agree that for some concepts in science, the learning is by doing, right? The teacher shows demos where applicable in the classroom. Science activities are done in the activity room where applicable. But the formal practicals will start from standard 6. Now let us discuss how our students are expected to study. Read the material on the worksheet. Keep practicing the worksheet questions. There are multiple choice questions for each chapter which you can access through the app, which is Valmiki app. Keep practicing those as that keeps the fundamentals revised. Okay, now I am going to brief you about the most important part of this session that you are eagerly waiting for. Yes, the examinations. How exams are conducted at Walnut. So let us have a look at it. 2-unit test in each term. 2 such terms in 1 year. Only descriptive exams will be conducted on exam days marked in the calendar. Objective exams are conducted over the unit. Best 2 out of 3 in each unit are conducted or counted as formative assessment. The unit test paper will be for 15 marks and the time limit will be half hour, that is 30 minutes. This will have subjective questions only. So, in brief, we can say how is the assessment? Overall, in a unit, the distribution of marks is 15 marks for summative, that is written exam, 10 marks as formative, that is MCQ or objective questions. So together they make 25 marks. In this way, there are 25 marks for every unit. Please mind, well, these 25 marks are per unit. There is no term exam. Term exam will start only after the 6th standard. Now what about the portions for this exam? Each unit test will have the portion covered in that unit only. Exams will be based on all the concepts that they have learned in the unit. To reduce the pressure of exam on our students, we have exam practice at Walnut. So how this exam practice is done? 1 week before the exams, students will have practice test in the school. These tests are on the whole portion of that quarter and have all question types. Students get well prepared for the actual exam and are not stressed for it at all. We all will agree that for the betterment of a student, teachers and parents must work hand in hand. At Walnut, we always appreciate home support. And how it can be given? Encourage kids to have regular attendance in school. Practice a little bit of writing and encourage good handwriting. Encourage loud reading of the worksheet. This will definitely help reading and English skills. I have already told you at Walnut, our students start learning science right from standard 1. Though the kids are learning science this early, the language is very simple and no heavy technical words are used. The students get a lot of time to understand fundamentals that are otherwise done very quickly when they start in standard 6. So it's definitely a Walnut advantage for them, isn't it? Students get to read more English and understand more words. As they answer questions in class, they speak more English too. So, along with concept understanding, they improve their language as well. A lot of topics for Standard 6 Science are already covered before they reach there. So, Walnut students always stay ahead. Tough outside and smart inside. That's what we are always trying to do, aren't we? Dear parents, science is one of the most important channels of knowledge. At Walnut, we support our students to develop interest in science, always question, always wonder, because we want them to know and we want them to grow. So let us work together and make the coming year a wonderful learning experience for them. Thank you very much for your time. Bye.
If you like our videos, do share them and subscribe to our channel. If you want awesome quizzes, write to us. Keep watching and keep learning with Walnut.